This video is an overview of the operation of the FM01 touchscreen door lock. The FM01 is a solidly built keypad or card operated lock available in this satin nickel finish. It is a standalone installation powered by 4 AA batteries. The lock can be programmed to have up to 10 6-digit long user codes and up to 40 individually assigned RFID cards, either in a credit card format or as a tag. The lock can also be assigned up to 10 single-use codes. To unlock, you can either enter your PIN or use the supplied tag. In this case, I've set a code of 333333. The lock will automatically relock after a couple of seconds, or you can use the supplied RFID tag. The lock also comes with 2 mechanical keys, which can be used to unlock the lock if ever needed. Single-use codes allow for one-time access only. After the code has been used, it will be deleted from the lock's memory. For an example of this lock, I have entered a single-use code of 222222. The single-use code allows access to someone one time only. So next time I go to use the same code, it's now invalid. The lock has a low battery warning which sounds after unlocking when the batteries are getting low in power. The lock also has what's called an anti-peep function, which in case of someone looking over your shoulder trying to see what your PIN code is, the user can confuse the observer by entering some random numbers before and after the code, as long as your code is entered sequentially. As an example, I can enter some random numbers, then my user code of 333333, and then some more random numbers. And as long as the user code is entered sequentially, somewhere in the middle of that sequence, the lock will work okay. The lock also has an admin only switch on the inside. When the admin only switch is activated, only the admin code can be used to unlock the door. All the user codes and single use codes will be inactive. So in summary, the FM01 is a solidly built touchscreen operated latch lock that can have up to 10 user codes and 40 RFID tags or cards.